What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I wanted to actually show you guys the catch cam for the 2021 Ford F150. I actually bought this from Lethal Performance, which I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys to see it. But I mean, it's really fucking nice. So here's a catch cam, your hoses, very fucking nice. Here's other hose. And then you actually get some stickers. Here's one, here's two. And then I'm gonna show you guys the instructions or whatever. It says 2021 Ford F150 5.0 plug and play supercharger oil catch can separator. So yeah, and now that I showed you guys that, I'm actually gonna go install it. I'll show you how it looks before, and then I'll show you guys how it looks after. So, and this also came with a little nice bracket, which is so nice. So yeah, guys, let's get it going. Alright guys, so we're outside the engine bay. So pretty much I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. The only tool you guys are pretty much gonna need for this thing is this Allen, which we're gonna go to the garage and figure out which one it is. Now, I probably should have put the truck in front of the garage, but it's all good. Super easy to do, so we actually don't really need it. Okay, so here are our Allens. Let's figure out which one it is. Okay guys, so here is our 532 Allen. Nope, doesn't seem right. Okay, let's try this one out. Yep, that one fits perfect, guys. And this one is a, what is it? A 4 Allen. I'm gonna use this bad boy. Just make life easier. Okay guys, so here we are by the battery. And I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to do this. Pop that out. Just like that, guys. Okay, now that that's on, we can put the catch can on, like that. Put our washer, and then the one on top. Super nice and easy. Just like that, guys. Super simple and easy. Now, we just put our fitting. Okay guys, now I put the catch can on. We can remove this one. What the hell, look how oily it is. Okay, remove that one, remove the other one. Just like that. Damn, this one's nasty, look, it already has oil. Look, that is not good. Good thing that we got a catch can. It did take a while, not gonna lie. It took a while, it took I think 3 weeks from Lethal Performance, but it's a must, guys. Okay, so grab one in hose, just like that, and the other one. Okay, just like that. Grab the other end, just like that. And then this one goes like that. So that's how easy, guys, it is. Let's put a catch can. And then I'm gonna show you guys one more time how it looks. So here's the one that goes to the supercharger. Goes right here. Here's the one with the bracket, the catch can, and then the other one just goes to the heads. So yeah guys, that's how easy it is to put a catch can. Looks very fucking nice. And besides that, it's very easy to install. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.